Hi, also, I've had quite a few questions about the Erborian CC eye cream and what color to get depending on your skin tone. So I have a Mediterranean background. I have olive skin, so it's fair, but it has some golden undertones, and I have genetic dark eye bags, which I have had my whole life. So concealer is my best friend. I just wanted to show you in some more detail. So this is the Claire. I'm just going to show you what it looks like on my skin. So the Claire is really light. So you can see here, it does change color, it does match your skin tone, but for me it is not dark enough, it's too light, and it does give a gray undertone. So my eye bags are quite dark though, so I think if they weren't that dark, it may have not been, like, it may have been a bit better. So this is the Claire. I haven't applied too much because on my day-to-day looks, I don't apply much because I don't like using too much product. So this is the Dore, which is slightly darker, and it does have more of a golden undertone. So you pop that on, squeeze it out. Right. So I put a bit more here. But I just want to show you, like, you can see it is matching my skin a lot better, and it's neutralizing the dark circles. Oh, my hair. So it's matching my skin better. So I don't know if you can see much in here, but you can see that this has evened out the color, and it has matched my skin coloring better compared to this, where it is, you can see that I've got the eye cream there and it's slightly more gray, and you can see that it's not exactly matching it. So it's hard to describe, but there we go. That's in a bit more detail. And I do have the Erborian Super BB Concealer Serum too. So this is the Dore, but this might show you in a bit more detail. Let's start with the Claire again. So this is a Super BB concealer. I really like it. It's also great for your skin. So that's the Claire. So I do tend to use concealer on top of the CC eye cream because my eye bags are quite dark. And this is the Dore. So hopefully, right, that's a really good comparison actually. So I hope you can see this, the concealer really shows the difference. So you can see here, the Claire is a lot lighter. The Dore matches my skin better. So I would say for my skin tone, the Claire is a bit more brightening, and it probably would work well on blemishes or really dark blemishes to kind of lighten it. So I'm just gonna spread this in. Right, and the Dore. So you can see instantly the coverage with the Dore for my skin tone. So I have really sensitive skin, so I don't want it on my eyelids. Right, so you can see here, this is bit more grey but lighter, and this definitely matches my skin better. So this is the difference. Let me know what you think. Like, this is definitely brighter, but this matches my skin tone better. And I think the perfect combination is if I mix them up. So that's what I've been doing in my everyday makeup or my everyday look. I have a very natural look anyway. I don't wear foundation, so this is perfect for me. I literally use both of the colors together of the Erborian CC eye cream, and then I've been using the Super BB concealer in Dore on top, and actually I'm finding that's a really good, it's a really good outcome. So let me know what you think. If you've got any questions, just let me know, but I hope this makes it easier for you to decide which color to get.